Hi everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures and
Kitty Titty.
and today we are making pasta salad. And this is the recipe. It's 1 box of medium shells and you just boil those on the stovetop. Then you'll cut up 1 green bell pepper, 2 tomatoes, a jar of the green olives, a small onion, 2 stalks of celery. That's how I do it, but then you can also add some provolone cheese and some pepperoni. And then the dressing is 1.5 tablespoons of salt, half a cup of vinegar, you can use white, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, and 3/4 a cup of oil, like canola oil, vegetable oil. That pasta salad is so good. Whatever party you take it to, everyone will ask for the recipe. And my mother-in-law has been making it for years, and then I got the recipe from her probably 20 years ago. But we need to pick some peppers to put in there. So we're coming to the garden. I'm gonna make the pasta salad and then come back out and pick the garden, and I'll share everything we get, but it'll be amazing. And these are such, look how big that is. Bigger than my hand, amazing. That's 1 pepper. I'm gonna add this one too. I've got my helper here cutting up some celery. So celery is next. We put a lot of pepper in there. Celery's done. Now we've got little lady working on the tomatoes. We've got cherry tomatoes from the garden. And I'm gonna do the olives. You put a small jar of these, but sometimes just get a big jar and then you just scoop out what you want. So I'd say at least a cup full without the juice.
Dressing's made, just need to shake it.
Perfect. When the noodles are cooking, we've got the tomatoes in, and now I'm gonna cut up an onion. The whole box, and it's nice and cooled. And here's the dressing in one of these little shakers. Can you pour it, my dear? We'll give it, hold this and give it a shake first. And then go for it.
Upside down so you get the bottom stuff. That's it, hold tight. Atta girl.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, good.
Because you don't want all the salt and pepper and oregano to be down there. And just go for it. The pasta salad has been in the fridge for a few hours, chilling, and the kids have had many bowls since then. Whenever I try something for the first time, I follow the directions on the recipe card. I use the same ingredients and the measurements that it says. After I've made it the first time, then I'll make some tweaks for my liking. So I don't put the cheese or pepperoni in this, and I always increase the amount of vegetables. So if it calls for 1 green pepper, I'll put 2. If it says 2 tomatoes, I'll put as many as I have. And as far as the dressing, I do about a half a cup, maybe a little bit more of canola oil. I do half a cup of white vinegar. I reduce the salt just a little bit, but increase the black pepper and the oregano. And that's how I make it to my liking. It's not really different. It's just a little bit of a tweak. So I hope you try it. It's great for taking to parties. It's a crowd pleaser and it makes a lot with very little effort. And let me know how it turns out for you. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.